Hi friends, welcome back to Code India. In this part of tutorial, we are going to create custom table view in Swift. Let us open our Xcode and click on Create a new Xcode project. We will be navigated to a window where we have to select application. Inside application, we will select app and we will create a new app by clicking the next button. Now we will name our product. Please note that we will take the interface as storyboard and language as Swift. Click the next button. Now we will select the folder where we want to create our project and click the create button. Now our app is created. Next, we will select the main.storyboard. Inside main.storyboard, we will add our table view. See, we have a plus button over here. First of all, we will select the view controller. Inside the view controller, we will select the view and click the plus button. We will write UI table view in a search bar and drag and drop our table view on the view. Now applying the constraint, I have kept the table view with a 0 margin from left, right, top and bottom. You can do as you wish. On the table view, we now need a UI table view cell. So we will select UI table view cell over here. First of all, I am making the editor window split in two parts so that I can navigate to the storyboard as well as the view controller file at a time. For this, I have clicked the rightmost button on the toolbar and split my screen in two parts. Now I will select the recent files and add a view controller in this editor window. Now I will drag and drop my table view on my view controller file and name the table view TBLV. This will connect the IB outlet. Now I need UI table view cell. So I will search for a UI table view cell by clicking the plus button. I will add the UI table view cell. On the UI table view cell, you can add your image, label as per your requirement. I'm making it a very basic app, so I have added one image view and a table label, UI label. So let me now create UI table view cell class. For that, I will select the project and add file to my project. I will use a Swift class and I will add this class on inside my project. Now I will name this class as custom cell. Now what I need to do is I need to name my UI table view cell that I have created in my storyboard to custom cell as well. So I will name this UI table view cell as custom cell by clicking this button and going to the class, and I will fill the name of the class. By default it is UI table view cell, but I am naming it as custom cell. Also I need to name the identifier. For that, I will click this horizontal arrow button and I will name the identifier. I am naming the identifier as custom cell. You can name it as you wish. So now inside my custom cell class, I will import UI kit. Now I will create my class, my custom cell class, and inherit UI view controller cell. Now what I need to do is I need to create a label and an image view. For that I will go to my storyboard and I will drag and drop image in the UI image view and a UI label, and I will create constraint for that and after that I will create the IB outlet.
Just wanna stay in with you, 'cause everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time.
Now inside my view controller file, what I need to do is I need to take UI table view delegate and UI table view data source, inherit table view delegate and data source, and delegate method will be number of row in a section and cell for row at index path. For number of row I am taking 1. You can take as much of row as you wish. Now inside UI table view cell, I have created a cell tableview.deq cell with identifier. I have named the identifier as custom cell. See, I have taken the identifier from here and I will name it as custom cell. Thereafter I will create the cell.label.text and I will return the cell. Inside my view did load in my view controller file, I will reload the table view, and that's it. Let me connect the data source and delegate from view controller. Now I will reload a table view and my table view will be custom cell table view will be created.
Just wanna stay in with you, 'cause everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction.
I can add image to my UI image view. I have added an image in my asset folder, and now I will add an image to my image view from the table view cell method, cell for row at index path row method, and I will add my image. This is my final output.